Hi, I'm Patty with Studio 12 Stencils, and today I'm going to show you how to transform these Dollar Tree oven mitts into awesome decor accessories and wonderful gifts. All right, we're going to get started. We're going to use stencils today. Stencils make making presents so fun and easy. We are Studio 12 Stencils, and we make the best stencils in the world, in my opinion. So what I've done is I've taken my stencil, and it's just a little, I think it's a 6x6 stencil. I have applied this Stencil Ease spray adhesive on the back side of it and let it cure. You could also use stick and restick. When we're painting on something that is squishy, like this padded oven mitt, we want to put something that has a little bit of like hardness to it, and we want to just kind of shove that in there and kind of put it up next to one edge or the other. I could start on one side or the other, but we make sure that we're over there, and I'll transform, or not transform, but I'll put my stencil over here and then get it where I feel like it lines up the best. I'm gonna push that down, and it will help stick it down. I'm also gonna add a piece of tape because fabric tends to take the adhesive out of your sticky stuff that you put on the back, your adhesive. So I wanna just go ahead and stick that down so it doesn't slide around, just in case it gives up the ghost. But that does, I could instantly tell that it had sunk down onto my surface. I'm gonna take my dry dome brush, gonna dip it into my dry paint, meaning I have no water in it. I'm gonna pick that up right on the tip of it, and then I'm gonna offload it onto my paper towel. This is kind of a better quality paper towel. Make sure this is a Bounty. We really like those. You could also use a lint-free paper towel. And then we're going to stipple, and I'm gonna push down as I do my stippling to get the contact as close to the fabric as I can. And I'll do just a little light coat, and I'll know that I'm gonna go back and do another coat. Okay, as we get through this side, I'm gonna move my board over to the other side to make sure that I have just something firm underneath to stipple on top of. And then I'll stipple that side. And then we'll just be repeating again after we're done. Okay, I've got the first coat done, and now we're going to go ahead and we'll go back to the other side with our board, and we're going to repeat all of our color again. And the neat thing about these projects is you can put a cute little like wooden spoons or anything like that in there and make them into a perfect gift. Make sure that if you like what we're doing here, that you are liking and commenting and hearting and giving us all the thumbs up and stuff like that, because the algorithm is important to us. So now let's get into coat number 2. All right, if you are not a present peeker at Christmas time, you can be a stencil peeker all the time. I think it's the best way to see how your project is coming along. So I'm gonna peel the tape, and I'm gonna hold it down, take a look, and that looks almost perfect. I am gonna go ahead and do a third coat. I think it's taken me like a minute for each coat. It's been really quick. I could give it a shot with the blow dryer, and I think I am gonna do that just to get it dry. Also, when you're painting fabric, heat is really good for sealing your paint in. So you can hit it with an iron, hot oven, or you can hit it with a blow dryer. Okay, if you see me rubbing my hand on this hand, it is because when I touch down, I might be getting some wet paint on my fingers, so I'm just kind of drying it off over here. So if I move my hand onto my piece, it won't smear white paint. gonna put my brush in the water and we are gonna do a reveal. This is such a fast and easy project. Makes it such a great gift to give. All right, so we're gonna peel that off, lift it up, and ta-da! I love tacos. What a great present. If you like this content, make sure that you give us a subscribe and ring the bell to make sure that you get notified for future content. And remember, we do live on Tuesdays at noon, and we answer all your questions. So if you have real-time questions and you want our answers, we're there for you.